Hello, and welcome to Sophisticated Eats by Lashay. I'm Lashay, your cooking instructor. Thank you so much for taking the time to visit our website and browse for our cooking courses that we offer. We do three things for our home cooks. We provide a personal experience, affordable pricing, and engaging courses on a monthly and weekly basis. We provide recipe cards, equipment lists, and grocery lists. We also have some attire that we provide, which are chef aprons and hats for our youngest cooks and our oldest cooks. We also have a cookbook that goes with our each course that we teach our cooks on a monthly and weekly basis. We also offer in-person by appointment only and with group and corporate classes as well. So feel free to browse our website. Thank you so much for stopping by. And also, don't forget to book your free consultation so you can learn more about what we have to offer our cooking courses. Don't forget to be added to our email list. We look forward to seeing you soon. Take care and happy cooking.